Okay guys, today we will try to create our first MCP server running with we will be running it running it three ways. One is through Cline in VS Code. Other is through Claude desktop, and the next one is Cursor. Okay, so first thing we will start with calculator MCP. Okay, Calculator-Mcp-Server. So yeah, this is the page. Model context protocol server for calculating. So what should be like, I will mention the URL in the description below. So either you can install it using pip, or else you can also use UV. Currently I will install this using pip. Okay, and this is the configuration file if you're using UV, and this is a configuration file if you're using pip. So okay, what are the prerequisites for this? The prerequisites are you need Python. So you should go to python.org, go to downloads, and try to download Python. Once you download Python and install it, once you go to terminal, you should be able to see this. So I currently have Python version 3.10.10. So when you download the Python executable file and install it, and then try to do Python __ version, you should be able to see that Python is successfully installed in your computer. So what's next? So Python is currently installed. Then what is it saying? After that, it shows us we need to pip install MCP server calculator. So Python, and then probably if you can run the code using script, that is Python MCP server calculator. So I'm gonna do this: pip install MCP server calculator. I'm going to a terminal. My Python is already installed. I'm going to do pip install MCP server calculator. The thing is, I've already installed it previously, so that's the reason all the requirements are already satisfied. So okay, then close it. What needs to be done next? So initially we'll go to Claude. Initially we'll go to Claude. Okay, so what should we do here? We are going through pip root. This should be pasted in our MCP clients. That is, initially it will be Claude. So you see, this says like different MCP servers that are already available. So currently we are looking at only Calculator MCP server. So you can copy this, and once you go to Claude, you can go to settings, Claude file settings, and then go to developers, and then see already Calculator and Wave Search MCPs are already available here. If you want to add new, go to edit config file, and you need to open Claude desktop config either through VS Code or Cursor or any text file or any file reader. Then you should insert the calculator here like this. So we currently have two different MCP servers. One is calculator and other is Brave Search. So you need to keep this here, and it will look something like this. It will look something like this for you. Okay, and you need to close it. You need to save the file, you need to close it, come back to Claude, close this, and go to your this go to your taskbar and close Claude here, quit it, and then restart it. Then you will be able to see, make sure you quit this. So once you will be able to see that you have your calculator MCP server that is running. So what can you do here? Probably, what is 23 divided by 34? So Claude is intelligent enough to actually look for calculator MCP, allow for this chart, and you will see that the answer is 0.6764, and this is done due to looking at calculator MCP server. So this is how you install it. Then if we go to Cline, you need to initially install Cline through extensions. You probably can search it like Cline. Then you need to install this, you need to log in into the Cline. Then after that, what can be done? Okay, if I go to Cline here, this is where you need to install your MCP servers. If you go to the MCP server, you can look at already pre-existing marketplace where you can download like n number of MCP servers already. When you need to install a new MCP server, you need to go here, give it a server name, or else you can go to configuration file, I guess, edit configuration file. Yes, you can go to you can choose edit configuration file, and this is how you add your MCP server. Similar to same as a Claude. You just need to put calculator and curly brackets where command is Python and arguments are m and MCP server calculator. Save this, close it, and automatically your MCP servers will be calculator will be added, done. And similarly, once you when you come to the chat here, I'm currently using Gemini 2.5 Pro, so it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Once I got the approval, the response is 20.65093. So the result of 23 multiplied by 26 by 37 and finally divided by 3 is this one. So this is how we can do that in Cline. And then finally, if we come to cursor, you need to go to file, you need to go to preferences, cursor settings, and come down to MCP. So this is where you can add MCP servers. And how do you add a new MCP server? So it will also open a similar JSON file where you can add your calculator MCP server. So it will look something like this for you. Okay, fine. This will look something like this for you, and then you will be able to see it is enabled or disabled. So here you can refresh it, you can enable it, disable it, and once you go to new chat, similarly you can copy the same question if you want. Here I've kept this in agent mode, and this is auto, so probably I'm using the free version, so this will be using GPT-4 mini. Control V, Yes, and if we send this, it will be calling MCP tool, calculate, yes, run tool, and you will be able to see it is written in the response. Right. Yeah, thank you guys. This is how you install a basic MCP server, that is calculator. In the next video we will look at Brave search.